Hey guys, so welcome back to another session. So it's been quite a long time we have done a show on Kanchi tissue sarees. So today we're going to showcase you the Kanchi tissue sarees from the range 25 to 35,000. So before we start, the one I'm wearing is a beautiful monochrome look saree with yellow tissue. It's a completely self monochrome look with silver zari highlights in the body weaving, and the borders are approximately up to 10 inches in gold zari. So the complete saree is a beautiful color, yellow gold with the self pallu and blouse. It's a tissue pallu and a tissue blouse in self color. So just to make it a little different, I teamed it out with this beautiful blouse in dull gold with pearl work and slight yellow thread work, which is actually blending out and giving us that new contemporary look for the saree. But a self blouse also looks smart. It's a beautiful blouse with a lovely saree, and the one I'm wearing is priced at 28,600. The saree is priced at 28,600. Do take a screenshot and send us on 8341382382. Let's begin. So that's the first saree, which is another completely single tone monochrome look saree, which is in a pink color, a beautiful bright pink, a must have for every woman out there. So it has a smaller version of border on the top, and it has a beautiful tissue shine all through the saree body with small silver zari floral motifs, and bigger border at the bottom, approximately 10 to 12 inches. This also looks really great. Even for a lehenga, you can team it out with a self pink dupatta or even a tissue dupatta, looks smart. And there you go, that's the pallu and blouse. It's a tissue pallu and tissue blouse. So that's the whole look of this another beautiful saree. This is saree number 1 and the price is 34,500. Saree number 1, 34,500. Saree number 1, yeah, I've already mentioned it. So that's the next saree we have. A very elegant and a beautiful shade. Look at the saree color, and it's a very lovely shade. It is not the regular typical yellow. కొంచెం మెంతి కలర్ మిక్స్ అయిన yellow shade అండి, నిమ్మపండు కలర్ అంటాం కదా, maybe of that style. And all through the body it has a completely floral jal design along with the meenakari detailing in silver zari play. Smaller border on the top and bigger at the bottom, approximately 8 to 9 inches. And the color of the pink is also very elegant and subtle. It is not a bright dark rani pink. It's a very elegant shade of rose pink. And the pallu and blouse goes like this. It's a tissue pallu and blouse again. And that's the whole look of this another beautiful piece. A very unique color combination, and reminding you all, this is not the regular yellow. So this is saree number 2 and the price is 34,800. Saree number 2, 34,800. That's the next saree we have, one of the classic pieces, a beautiful color combination. Talamrali saree ki, it's a perfect choice, but yet it looks very elegant for anybody who can drape it for the evening parties or events. And manchi dull gold tissue, cream color base ki dull gold zari use cheste ela untundo ala undi look, and the borders are in lavender shade. So smaller version on the top and bigger at the bottom. A beautiful saree, a really elegant and classy piece. And so coming to the details on the saree body, we have a beautiful diagonal cross stripes pattern in silver zari with a contrast tissue blouse and pallu. It's a lavender tissue blouse and lavender tissue pallu. You can either go for a raw silk blouse with some nice pearl work also. Atla kuda chala baagundi. So this is the entire look of this beautiful saree. Do not miss this combination. This is saree number 3 and the price is 29,600. Saree number 3. And that's the next color we have, another monochrome look. Pretty shade and the manchi peach color saree. Very elegant, gorgeous piece. Saree mottham manaki chinna weaving. It's almost like a brocade saree. You can see that for yourself. And saree mottham kuda manaki silver zari lo undi. So smaller version of border on the top and bigger at the bottom, approximately 9 inches at the bottom. Very small floral and minute detailing all through the sari body in silver zari. And that's the pallu and blouse in a peach shade, self peach shade, very elegant and classy. And that's the whole look of the sari. One yet another beautiful piece, and this is sari number 4. And the price is 24,500. Sari number 4, 24,500. And that's another lovely sari. It's a beautiful bridal look sari, which is in the shade reddish pink. It's another monochrome look sari, kanchi tissue. You can see how flexible and smooth the sari fabric is. It has a great fall. Bigger border at the bottom, approximately 12 inches, and smaller on the top. This also looks great even for a lehenga. And sari body mida, you can see this beautiful silver zari weaving all through the body. It's a lovely shade. This is not the regular red, I'm telling you. Come closely now. This is not the regular red, only reddish pink antam kada. Manchi reddish pink shade. Typical single tone red aithe kadu. Very pretty shade it is. And that's the self pallu and blouse we have in tissue. And that's the whole look of this. Another lovely color, beautiful and bright. This is sari number 5 and the price is 32,600. Sari number 5. And that's the next sari we have. A very unique color combination, orange with rama green. This color combination is quite rare, I must say. నేను చాలా rare గా చూస్తానండి, especially కంచి sarees లో ఈ particular combination. A very subtle, elegant shade of light orange. It's a kanchi tissue saree and rama blue or a rama green borders, or krishna blue antam kada, something of that shade. So smaller kadi border on the top and a beautiful bigger border at the bottom, approximately 10 to 12 inches. ఇది కూడా మీరు లెహంగా లాగా కూడా టీమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అండి with the contrast dupatta. It looks great. But look at the whole combination. It's very unique, very rare, very, very pretty. And as you see the detailing on the sari body, you can see this geometric pattern and the diagonal checks pattern. We have a bunch of motifs with silver zari. Very pretty sari, and altogether it's very beautiful. So this has a contrast pallu and blouse in rama blue or a rama green tissue. And that's the whole look of this. Another lovely color. This is sari number 6. And the price is 32,800. Sari number 6, 32,800. And that's the next sari we have in a pink with a purple combination, or a magenta pink. This is basically a beautiful sari, very unique, vibrant, and one of the statement pieces. You can simply make yourself stand out in the crowd. A very pretty sari altogether. It's a nice rose pink tissue on the body and dark magenta pink on the borders. The print and the weaving is also pretty nice, very evident and bold. It's a bigger border at the bottom, approximately 10 to 12 inches, and smaller on the top. And as you can see, the detailing is very clear and very evident. And we have a bunch of roses in the circular pattern. Very unique sari. Even the design style is also pretty unique. With the contrast pallu and blouse in pink tissue. నేను మెజెంటా పింక్ క్రాస్ సిల్క్ బ్లౌజ్ మీద ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ చేయించుకున్న చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సో that's the whole look of this very elegant sari. This is sari number 7 and the price is 28,600. Sari number 7. And that's the next sari we have. This is another very beautiful and one of the rarest combinations, I can say. This is in a rankert pattern and a very unique concept. You can come closely and see show the body now. So you can see the rankert pattern, the play of the colors that been used is very beautiful. So you can see the peach shade, and there are shades of sea green to grey and so grey nunchi teal color nunchi sea green nunchi we have the play of colors that's been used in a different pattern, which is inspired from the Banarasi rankert style, with a contrasting green border, smaller on the top and bigger at the bottom, around 10 to 12 inches. A very unique saree. It's very subtle yet very vibrant because of the green border. Manchi unique color combination with a contrast pallu and blouse. So tissue blouse and a tissue pallu. So that's the whole look of this beautiful saree. This is saree number 8 and the price is 32,500. Saree number 8. So దీంట్లోనే we have one more color. I think we'll just show it to you again. There you go. This is another evergreen combinations and the Kanchi tissue sarees, irrespective of what complexion, what time the event is. It's a nice sea green with a red combination. It looks beautiful whenever and whoever is wearing it. A very elegant combination, sea green with red. It's a bigger one at the bottom and smaller at the top as usual. Even this also looks great even for a lehenga. And all through the sari body you get to see these birds and akkadakada pittalu, flowers, different concept. Contrast pallu and blouse in red tissue. So silver zari play on the pallu lo kuda and blouse is in red tissue with golds in. And that's the entire look of this amazing piece. This is sari number 9 and the price is 32,600. Sari number 9. Right, so that's the next saree for all those lavender lovers. It's in a monochrome self saree and which is in lavender shade. A beautiful, elegant, sensuous saree. How elegant it can look on you. Just imagine the look with the jewelry and the kind of makeup and hairstyle. It's a very elegant piece. A monochrome look self saree in lavender, the most happening color of the season. Smaller version on the top and bigger at the bottom, and completely silver zari play all through the body in geometric pattern with bunch of motifs. This has a self pallu and blouse in lavender tissue. You can either go for a lavender raw silk blouse with some nice embroidery, and that's the whole look. This is sari number 10 and the price is 32,600. Sari number 10. And we have one last piece in today's show, which is another rankat pattern which I was saying. In a different color, yellow with the red and yellow kuda, it's not the regular yellow, as you can come closely and see the color pattern. This is another rankat style. You can see the shades of yellow to parrot green. Very pretty saree. Manam ee saree ni yellow ga chappalemo, alani green ga nu chappalemandi, because this has the shades of yellow to light parrot green. Pretty saree in rankat pattern, unique weaving pattern with silver zari, contrasting red borders on both the sides, smaller on the top and bigger at the bottom. A very elegant saree with a contrast pallu and blouse in red tissue. And that's the whole look of this last piece in today's show. Take a screenshot, and this is priced at 32,500, which is saree number 11. Saree number 11, 32,500. And that's the last saree. You can number this as number 12 only, saree number 12, and the one I'm wearing is priced at 28,600. I hope you all like the show, and this beautiful jewelry is from Mangala Jewels. Pramila Garu, she's the one of the jewels. She has an amazing, smart, unique collection. You can check her out and look at this beautiful polki studs. Simple statement jewelry. And please take a screenshot and send us on 8341382382. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you all like the collection. So see you soon.